welcome back to my channel. This is the Burman Product Reviews. My name is Ranulph Iwa and I am from Cebu, Philippines, and I'm from an Asian country. I am from Cebu, Philippines. So today I'm going to have a unboxing again vlog, and this is new. So this is also a vlogging kit for all the vloggers out there. So we gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show to you those vlogging kit and vlogging accessories one by one. So let's start it up, guys. So here it is. This is the vlogging kit which I found it in a mall here in our country, Philippines. And also this is good because I have a discount price because I have a advantage card. That's why I discounted. So the retail price of this is 1,499 pesos. So instead of 1,499 pesos, I grab my reward card, and then I sorry, that's why I discounted a 500 pesos. So yes, the retail price is 1,499, which is 1,500 almost, and then I've got a discount price of 600, which is now is 999 pesos because I have a reward card that was the SMAC. So what is an SMAC? It is an SM Advantage card, and also this is not a sponsored video. This is not a sponsored video for them. So I made this vlog is because I want to share all of you that they have this affordable vlogging kit for all the vloggers out there. If you want to become a vlogger, so this one is for you. If you have a advantage card of SM department store, you can avail the price of 999 pesos, which is almost 1,000 pesos in for this vlogging kit over here. So let's check it out, guys. I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show to you one by one what is inside of this vlogging kit. So first we have this specification here outside of the box, in the here. So, and at the back of this box there is the specification over here, and let's gonna take a look at it. Okay, so the specification here is it has a flexible tripod, flexible socket joints, legs with 1/4 inches screw quick release plate, and also it can be used for GoPro cameras and smartphones. So universal LED video light. So it has a LED video light and array of 36 powerful LEDs, but it is not included battery. So the battery is double A battery, and I think you can buy it everywhere. So, and also securely connects to the shoe mount. It has a shoe mount on most digital video cameras and SLRs. It has 3 side cold shoe mount for microphone, and also 3 shotgun microphone. So it has a 3 shotgun microphone, and also super cardioid and directional condenser microphone. So it has a condenser microphone, and also detachable hot shoe mount and concealed 3.5mm plug for smartphones. It has also a external power supply, plug and play, foam and furry windscreen included. This is the shotgun mic, and also for smartphone, DSLR, mirrorless, camcorder, audio recorder, GoPro, PC, etc. And also it has a smartphone holder, and also it has the smartphone holder. It has a cold shoe, and also works on almost any product built-in shoe. So wireless remote control also included, which is allows you to take pictures or videos away from the phone or camera. The maximum distance is about 30 feet. Okay, so in here there's a purpose in here. purpose is vlogging kit is designed to enhance your videos with better sound and lighting either indoor or outdoors. It features a universal microphone to work on any smartphone or camera, and LED which features 36 super bright LEDs, a tripod grip that can use it as a tripod on your videos, and a smartphone adapter with built-in shoe which lets you mount not only your phone but either a light. So let's start it up, guys, and let's open it. So here it is. Here it is the vlogging kit. Which okay, let's open it up, guys. So this is it. This is it. So these are the kit. So let's try a different angle so that you can see almost everything. So there it is. So this is the okay, this one. So this is the accessories inside of this vlogging kit. So it has a tripod, a light, a cell phone mount, and also a shotgun mic, and also there's a video recorder and shutter that looks like this one. Then so this is for the another tripod that I bought, buy or bought. So sorry for that. So I don't know how to 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 speak grammar. So sorry for my grammars if I okay. And also yes, it is a retractable, what is this called? Yes, this is a retractable. So okay, that was a retractable, and this is the yes, this is the this one. And also it has also a light. So there is a light. So let's try to put some battery on it. So this is a AA battery which you can use it. And then yes, okay, let's yes, and that. So it's just only one mode. So it's so light, so very good light for vlogging setup. So if you can put this in your phone, so I just put this light up in the upper of my phone, so it is so light. Yes. And okay, let's gonna test this for a while if it's good. So next, here is the, what is this called? So this is the cell phone mount. So I'm gonna try this in another. So I'm gonna try this in my iPhone. Okay, so let's try it into my iPhone if it's working. So and we're gonna okay. So that's it. We're gonna try how fast the light is, and then we're gonna put this shoe mount. Okay, let's gonna so how to put this shotgun mic into this, what is called, how to put the shotgun. I have to this one, and then yes, and then close it. Then we're gonna put this into the shotgun mic, and then put this into this one here, and then we're gonna put this into this one. So let's gonna try, but I think there's no for the light. Yes, there's no for the light, so I don't know which I can put this. What's up everyone, this is the Verbal Product Reviews, and today I'm using this new vlogging kit, and also it has a good I think it's good. So let's try a different angle. So here is a different angle, and then I think it can show the what is it called, the LED light into my face, and it is so clear. And also I don't know if I don't know, so mic test. So how does it good, how does the mic feels good into this shotgun mic over here. And also I think it is good enough for you to hear my voice using this what is this called, shotgun mic in this new vlogging device kit that I have and that I buy. So that is test mic, okay, and also we're out. So let's back to my main vlogging camera. So okay, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it, and you're gonna have a different vlogging experience for your videos in YouTube, okay? And so you saw it. So you saw the testing. So and I hope you enjoy. So that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So just watch for my another vlogs about vlogging kit. So I'm gonna have a depth review of this. So expect more reviews from this new vlogging kit that I have. So you enjoy watching, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will always notify all of my upcoming future videos here in the Vermal product reviews, okay? And leave a big thumbs up